Today's cue card is describe a person who gave you a surprise and made you feel happy. You should say what the surprise was, when you got it, who gave you, and explain why the surprise made you feel happy. First, let's see ideas and vocabulary for this cue card. You talk about the occasion. It could be birthday, promotion, wedding announcement, or a random act of kindness. The surprise, a gift, event, gesture, or trip. The person could be your friend, family member, colleague, or partner. The impact. Describe how it made you feel and why it was special. Vocabulary. Heartwarming means something that brings joy or comfort. Overjoyed. Extremely happy. Unforgettable. Memorable and unique. Thoughtful gesture. Kind and considerate act. Genuinely touched. Deeply moved emotionally. Go the extra mile. That means to make extra effort. Idiomatic phrases. On cloud nine means extremely happy or delighted. Swept me off my feet. Surprised and impressed. Made my day. Brought happiness to a specific moment. A bolt from the blue. An unexpected event. Put a smile on my face. Made me happy. Let's see our model answer, and we'll also analyze the language. Sometimes life surprises you in the most heartwarming ways. And I'll never forget the time my sister, Sarah, swept me off my feet with a surprise I never saw coming. It was about a year ago, on the eve of my birthday, and I was feeling a bit down because I hadn't planned anything special. Sarah told me she was taking me out for dinner, but little did I know she had gone the extra mile to organize a surprise party for me at my favorite restaurant. Heartwarming, something that brings joy or comfort. Go the extra mile to make extra effort. Idiomatic phrase we've used here. Swept me off my feet means surprised and impressed. As we walked into the venue, I was greeted by the cheers of my closest friends and family, who had all gathered to celebrate my special day. It was truly a bolt from the blue. The decorations were absolutely beautiful, with balloons, fairy lights, and a personalized banner with my name on it. Sarah had even arranged a customized cake and one of my favorite quotes on it, which showed just how thoughtful she had been. A bolt from the blue, an unexpected event we have used here. What made it even more special was a slideshow of our childhood pictures that she had prepared, which made everyone laugh and reminisce. Her thoughtful gesture put a big smile on my face, and I was on cloud nine throughout the evening. I could see the effort she had put into making the evening unforgettable, and it genuinely touched me. It wasn't just the surprise itself, but also the love and care behind it that made it so meaningful. Thoughtful gesture, a kind and considerate act, reminiscence, to talk about pleasant things that happened in the past. On cloud nine, extremely happy or delighted, genuinely touched, deeply moved emotionally. I felt incredibly grateful and overjoyed. And that evening became one of the most cherished memories of my life. Sarah's surprise party didn't just make my day, it reminded me of how lucky I am to have someone who knows me so well and is willing to go out of their way to make me happy. Overjoyed, extremely happy. Make my day, bring happiness to a specific moment. To get more sample answers like this, you can join our premium IELTS mastery course. There you'll get 600 plus video sample answers like this. Download the app Arun IELTS classes if you are an Android user. If you have iPhone, download Class Plus application and you can join my IELTS mastery course. There you'll get material for reading, writing, speaking, listening. And you can also get free PDF of this video. Join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. For more information, you can also text me on my WhatsApp, which is on the screen. At the end of the video, all I ask you to leave a like and comment in the comment section below. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video and listening to Arun Vashist.